Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is lesson 400. All right, the title of today's lesson is The Difference Between Hotly and Warmly. Okay, let's take a look at the note here. In general, if we are just comparing, hot and warm, like its adjectives, hot and warm, hot usually means something is uncomfortable or too high a temperature. So basically, hot usually means too hot in most cases. Warm is often used to mean something is comfortable. There are some exceptions, though, like hot coffee. People usually like hot coffee. We don't usually say warm coffee. Or if it's a sauna or something, that's supposed to be hot. Where there are some situations where hot is better than warm. But in general, warm is more comfortable, especially with clothes and other food. We would probably prefer warm, like if it was food that you were eating or your soup. You prefer your soup warm. You don't prefer it hot. You don't want to burn your tongue. But again, with those few exceptions. All right, let's continue. When we use the adverb hotly, it is often used about how people discuss or argue about something, especially showing a lot of emotion. Okay, especially like controversial issues or something like that. So you could say that controversial issue was hotly debated. Yeah, you definitely would not use warmly here. You can't say that controversial issue was warmly debated. That sounds so weird. Definitely be hotly, showing a lot of emotion, showing a lot of strong feelings. Okay, or she hotly swore at him. Yeah, she warmly swore at him. That almost changes the meaning if you try to change it to warmly. Here, she hotly swore at him. So swore, maybe she said some dirty words or some bad words to him. All right, let's continue. Hotly, as an adverb, is also used meaning to pursue or chase closely behind someone. So we could say the police hotly pursued that car thief. Yeah, we definitely wouldn't say the police warmly pursued. That would just be so weird. Yeah, so when you're chasing someone, you could hotly pursue or hotly chase them, basically. All right, let's continue. Warmly as an adverb means in a way that keeps someone warm. Yes. So this is very typical, especially in the winter weather. Somebody might say, you need to dress warmly in this cold weather. So you need to wear enough clothes, where it's warm, where it keeps you warm, keeps your body warm in a comfortable manner. Okay, good. All right, warmly can also mean in a friendly way, too. Yeah, we also mean, it's like heartwarming or friendly in that sense, having good feelings behind it. All right, so, and here's the example. They warmly greeted the new neighbors. Yeah, you could warmly greet someone. Okay, anyway, I hope you got it. I hope you can clearly see a difference of how we use those two adverbs, hotly and warmly. Thank you for your time. Hope it was informative. Bye-bye.